Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng pinwheel napkin folding. Let's start! First step is you need to lay the napkin on the table. Second step is fold all the tips of the napkin into the center. Third step, fold the two opposite edges towards the center, creating a rectangle. Fourth step, fold another two edges of the rectangle towards the center. Take one flap and pull out one of the edges to make a point. Just repeat it with the second, third, and fourth flap. Just pull out one of the edges to make a point. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.